external. Remember, this is only active in the indirect no-go pathway. This is not hit in the go pathway. So the no-go pathway. It is well understood that the globus pallidus external will send projections to the subthalamic nuclei. The subthalamic nuclei will then touch the pars reticulata and the globus pallidus internal so that they can stop, kind of suppress the thalamus. Okay? Remember, this is all GABA. All of this is inhibition. We're going to talk about a special inhibitory cell. What is not well known, those cells projecting to the subthalamic nuclei and the pars reticulata are called prototypic, well known. Those are prototypic cells. And this makes up the majority of these projections that are running through the indirect pathway. 70 to 80% of them, actually. And parvalbumin is involved with this because this is an inhibitory cell. You can find all the data you want on prototypic cells. The other cell type, right here, archipallidial. Sometimes it's called archi for short. It's understandable. So if we think about the role of this globus pallidus external with this precision that we talked about, with the timing, or maybe it's hitting a baseball, whatever, any type of movement. These have very fascinating little features because they speak back up to the dorsal striatum. This isn't well understood until maybe 10, 12 years ago. So this is really a hot spot with neuroscience, are these archipallidial cells. These are very powerful, and just one projection back up to either the putamen or the caudate nucleus, one projection back up will touch on thousands of those medium spiny neurons. Remember, these have medium spiny neurons, which are a little bit different because they have the larger spines. And the dopamine pars compacta will send up those D1 and D2 like for excitatory and inhibitory action to help these dorsal striatum, these input areas, to kind of determine, do I go or do I not go? This is why this is a go, no-go balance. And remember the precision that it requires. So what are some of the functions of these types of cells from the globus pallidus external back up to the dorsal striatum? Why the need to talk back up to the dorsal striatum?